Hello Olympiad aspirants. Welcome back to the YouTube channel of F2S Olympiads classes. Here I will help you in Olympiad preparation as well as you are going to get the updates and detailed knowledge of various Olympiad exams. We are going to start an Olympiad preparatory series for grade 5 to 7 for mathematics. We start with the preparation of Silver Zone Mathematics Olympiad, where I will teach you to solve the comprehensive book of Silver Zone. In this book, every chapter contains 40 questions, which I have divided in three-part videos of 14, 14 and 12. You will get two videos every week for your respective class. To get the updates of these videos, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Now let's start with the worksheet questions. 5 Silver Zone Comprehensive Book, Chapter 8, Video Part 1. Length of a rectangle is 2 centimeter more than that of breadth. If breadth is 16 centimeter, then find the area of the rectangle. So here breadth is given 16 centimeter. So length will be your 2 more than the breadth. It means 16 plus 2. That is your 18 centimeter. And we know that area of the rectangle equal to length multiplied by breadth. So length is your 18 centimeter multiplied by 16 centimeter. It will be your 288 centimeter square. Okay. It is in the option number B. So first answer will be option B. Question number 2. If perimeter of a square is 52 centimeter, then find the area of the square. The perimeter of the square is given 52 centimeter. And we know that perimeter of the square is 4 multiplied by side. So this implies side equal to 52 divided by 4. That is your 13 centimeter. And we know that the area of the square is equal to side multiplied by side. So it means 13 multiplied by 13. That is your 169 centimeter square. It is in the option number C. Second answer will be option C. Question number 3. Base of a triangle is 4 centimeter less than its height. If height is 18 centimeter, then find the area of the triangle. Okay. So height is given 18 centimeter. Base is 4 centimeter less than the height. It means 18 minus 4. That is your 14 centimeter. We know that area of a triangle is equal to 1 upon base into height. This implies 1 half into 14 into 18. So 2 9s are 18 and 14 9s are 126 centimeter square. It is in the option number B. The third answer will be option B. Question number 4. Find the circumference of the circle whose radius is 5.6 centimeter. So we know that the circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. 2 pi's value will be 22 upon 7. Radius is here 5.6. So 7 8s are 0.8. Now 8 2s are 16. 1.6 multiplied by 22. That is your 35.2 centimeter. It is in the option number D. The fourth answer will be option D. Question number 5. Find the perimeter of the following figure. The perimeter of the figure, we know that it is the total length of the boundary. Okay. The total length of the boundary means 4 plus 5 plus 4 plus 5 plus 4. After adding all, you will get 22 centimeter. It is in the option number B. The fifth answer will be option B. Sixth number. Perimeter of a rectangle and square are equal. If perimeter of rectangle is 72 centimeter, find the area of the square. Okay. The perimeter of rectangle equal to perimeter of square. Perimeter of square equal to 72 centimeter. we know that perimeter of a square is 4 multiplied by A equal to 72 centimeter. It means A equal to 72 divided by 4 divided by 4. So it will be your 18 centimeter. Okay. Now area of the square, we know that side multiply by side. This is 18 multiplied by 18 equal to 324 centimeter square. It is in the option number A. Sixth answer will be option A. Question number 7. Length, breadth and height of a water tank is 12 meter, 15 meter and 18 meter respectively. Find the amount of water that the tank can hold. So we know that capacity of a cuboid tank. How we know it is cuboid shape? Cuboid tank. How we know it is cuboid shape? Because its dimensions are given length, breadth and in height. Okay, if these three dimensions are given, it means either it is cube or cuboid. If it is different, then it will be cuboid. Okay, so capacity of the tank is length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height. That is your 12 multiplied by 15 multiplied by 18 equal to 3240 meter cube. It is in the option number A. So seventh answer will be option A. Question number 8. Height of a triangle is 3 times than the base. If base of the triangle is 36 centimeter, find the area of the triangle. So base is given 36 centimeter and height of the triangle is 3 times the base. So 3 multiply by 36. So that is your 6 threes are 18, carry 1, 3 threes are 9, 9 plus 1 10, 108. Okay, meter. It is centimeter, it is centimeter. Okay. Now, area of the triangle. We have to find the area of the triangle. We know that half into base into height. So, 1 by 2 into base is your 36. Height is your 108. So, 2 18s are, it is after multiplying, you will get 1944 centimeter square. It is in the option number A. Eighth answer will be option A. Question number 9. Radius of a circle is 14.5 centimeter. Find the area in centimeter square of the circle. Round your answer in nearest tens. Okay. So we know that area of a circle equal to pi r square. And here radius is given. Pi is your 22 upon 7 multiply by 14.5 multiply by 14.5. Okay. When you just multiply 22 multiply by 14.5 multiply by 14.5 and divide by 7, you will get 660.7857 centimeter square. And it is said that we have to just round off it to the nearest tens. So after rounding off to the nearest tens, we will get 660 centimeter square. It is in the option number C. So ninth answer will be option C. Question number 10. Area of a square is this centimeter square. Find the perimeter of the square. Area of the square is given 10000. We know that area of the square is side multiply by side and we can write it as 100 multiply by 100. So here we can write A equal to 100 centimeter and perimeter of the square is 4 multiply by side, that is your 4 multiply by 100 equal to 400 centimeter. It is in the option number C. So 10th answer will be option C. Question number 11. Perimeter of an isosceles triangle is 32 centimeter. If the length of the unequal side is 13 centimeter, find the length of one of equal sides of the triangle. So we let the equal side is x. Okay. So x plus 13 will be equal to 32. So this implies 2x equal to 32 minus 13. So x will be equal to 19 by 2. It is your 9.5 centimeter. It is in the option number B. So 11th answer will be option B. Question number 12. Find the perimeter of the circle whose diameter is 1.4 centimeter. Diameter is given. So if the diameter is given, then the perimeter of circle or the circumference of the circle, that will be your pi d. So pi is your 22 by 7 and d is your 1.7. We can write it as 7 2s are 14. So it will be your 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 4.4 centimeter. It is in the option number B. So 12th answer will be option B. Okay. Come to question number 13. Find the area of the triangle whose base is 15 centimeter and height is 20 centimeter. Area of a triangle. Very simple. We know that area is half multiplied by base multiplied by height. So half base is your 15 centimeter and height is your 20 centimeter. So 2 tens are and 15 tens are 150 centimeter square. It is in the option number D. The 13th answer will be option D. Question number 14. Find the perimeter of the following figure. You should know perimeter of any figure is the length of the outside boundary only. Outside boundary means this and this only. So that's why perimeter of the figure will be 7 plus 7 plus 5 plus 5. After addition, you will get 24 centimeter. It is in the option number A. The 14th answer is option A. Okay. So we have completed the first video and stay tuned for the second two video of this chapter. And after, as we are reaching the last chapter, actually only one more chapter is left in the comprehensive book. We are reaching towards the last chapter. So stay tuned because we will just solve, after solving these this chapters of this book, we will solve the sample papers. Okay, the previous year question paper of the Silver Zone Mathematics Olympiad. Okay. Hope you understood all the answers explained here. If so, please write yes in the comment section. I have provided the link of PDF note of this worksheet in the description box. You can download it from there. And if you want to practice more such questions, you can download our app from the Play Store and can buy the test series of your respective class. Thanks for watching.